Hi guys, so I just want to do my makeup real quick because my Jeffree Star mystery box is supposed to be here today, and right now it says it's out for delivery, so hopefully it's here soon. And I want to get something on my face when I try on the products. It has something to go on. I don't want to do anything too super crazy because I want it to go with whatever lipstick I get, so I'm just gonna go very basic and neutral. I'm just gonna go into my bronzer and kind of deepen that up just a little bit. Maybe put a little bit of this darker one just to... We're just gonna speed right through this because I want to have some kind of makeup on before it gets here. I'm trying out this Maybelline Master Precision ink. I have never used it before, but it's got a very fine tip. I am not the best at liquid liner, so we'll see. And that actually didn't turn out too bad considering I really cannot do. It's supposed to be metallic too. It doesn't really look very metallic on my eyes. I don't know what color this is. Cosmic purple. Okay, let's try the other eye. Of course, if we get one good eye, we're gonna have one bad eye. This is my, this is real life. It's just... I got really good at doing wing liners back in the day, and then I dropped using makeup altogether for a while. And then it's like you have to relearn how to put on a wing. Let's get this face on. I will definitely love the colors that I get regardless of what they are. Also, for 90% of the unboxings where the people were like, I can't wear this color, what am I supposed to do with it? Apparently, the neutral colors mostly got put in the smaller boxes. Don't get me wrong, I'd also be ecstatic to get Jeffree Who or watermelon soda or a bright orange, especially because if I buy makeup, usually it's from Sephora or Ulta just because I can get points that can go towards other stuff later, and you know I'm all about that savings. I have bought from Morphe and I know his stuff is sold on Morphe, but again it's expensive, so I'm on Morphe and I'm do I want a $20 palette or a $40 palette? Because I've been dying to get Blood Sugar and Thirsty, but because I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Modern Renaissance and my Just Peachy palette, I'm having a hard time getting Blood Sugar because I'm not sure that I would have too many new colors from what I already own. And same thing with Thirsty. I think that palette is absolutely gorgeous. Just drop my jaw. That blue is probably my favorite color ever. But again, it's mostly neutrals and I own a lot of neutrals, so I just feel like it wouldn't be getting, well, maybe it would get a whole lot of use because it might be better than my other formulas, but I don't know. It probably is better than my other formulas and I should just bite the bullet. If I could have, I would have gotten the Christmas mystery box in the biggest size because I've seen them getting the sweaters and the t-shirts and the mirrors, and I wasn't upset about anything anyone got out of those. I thought the sweaters were pretty, I thought the mirrors were pretty, the whole setup was nice, and like I said, I don't really mind. And I feel like there was more variety actually in those boxes than there were in these, and I'm pretty sure some people got palettes from what I saw. I would have absolutely loved the bigger one. That sweater that has like unicorn blood color with the black is stunning. I would have died. But I did see people getting palettes, I'm pretty sure, and I would have also died because I think people got like beauty killer, androgyny, and I think even some people got blood sugar or thirsty, and like I said, I would have died. That is exciting to me anyway, but y'all know I couldn't afford it, didn't get it, kind of sad. We'll see what we get today. It's gorgeous. Gotta give myself time to dry. Alright guys, I'm not gonna put on a lipstick because hopefully I'll get the Jeffree Star box soon and I will be filming that. So I'm just gonna put on some Carmex and call it a day. Oh my gosh, y'all. Jeffree Star's rolling over right now. I forgot to highlight. We don't forget to highlight. Not in this house. In this house we highlight to the aliens above. But, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this simple look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.